Hi everyone, it's Anna. Welcome back to Anna's Simple English Life. Today, we're going to do something very relaxing together. We are going to make coffee, but we will do it in easy English. This is a great way to start your day and learn some simple daily vocabulary and natural sentences at the same time. I hope you find this video helpful and calming. Before we start, I want to say thank you for being here with me. If you enjoy my videos, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your support is so important. It helps me make more simple English videos for you. Thank you so much for your kindness. First, I need to go to my kitchen. Let's walk together. My kitchen is a very bright and happy place in the morning. The sun shines through the window and makes everything feel warm and fresh. I love starting my day here. The first thing I do is open the cabinet to find my favorite coffee cup. Here it is. It's a very simple cup. It is white, and it feels warm in my hands. It's not a fancy cup, but it feels special to me. I use it almost every morning, so it's like an old friend. Holding it makes me feel ready for the day ahead. Next, I need to get the coffee beans. I keep them in this little glass jar on the counter. I pick up the jar and open it. I love the smell of fresh coffee beans. The smell is soft and a little bit sweet. It's a very comforting aroma. When I smell coffee in the morning, it always makes me feel calm and happy. It is a small moment of peace before the busy day begins. The beans look so dark and beautiful. They promise a delicious cup of coffee. Let's get ready to make it. Now, it's time to prepare the coffee. I will open the bag of coffee beans. The sound the bag makes is a soft, crinkly sound. I carefully pour the beans into the grinder. Do you hear that? They make a small, crunchy sound as they fall inside. It is a quiet sound, but it is part of my morning routine. I love these small sounds. They make the morning feel real and present. I pour just enough beans for one perfect cup of coffee. Next, I put the lid on the grinder. I press the button to start it. The grinder starts working right away. The sound is loud, but for me, it is a happy morning sound. It means that fresh coffee is coming soon. The sound only lasts for a few seconds. It's a quick and powerful sound that fills the kitchen. It tells me that the day is really starting. When the grinding is finished, the sound stops. Everything is quiet again. I open the grinder. The smell of the coffee is much stronger now. It smells warm and cozy, and it fills the whole room. This is one of my favorite smells in the world. It has a rich and wonderful scent that makes the kitchen feel like a safe and happy place. The beans are now a fine powder, ready to become delicious coffee. Next, I need to boil some water. I take my electric kettle. It's a pretty, light blue kettle. I fill my kettle with fresh, cold water from the tap. I always use fresh water because it makes the coffee taste better. I place the kettle on its base and turn it on. There is a little light that shows it is working. While I wait for the water to boil, I like to tidy up a little. I wipe the counter with a soft cloth to make sure everything is clean and neat. A clean space helps me feel calm and organized. The kettle is very quiet at first. Then, you can hear a soft humming sound as the water gets hotter. The sound grows a little louder, but it is still a gentle sound. Soon, the kettle makes a soft click. That click means the water is ready. The steam begins to rise from the spout. The steam looks like a soft, white cloud. Watching the steam rise is a quiet morning moment that I enjoy very much. It's a simple, beautiful thing. Now, it is time for the best part, making the coffee. I put the fresh coffee grounds into my filter. I use a paper filter inside a dripper. I gently shake it to make the coffee grounds flat and even. Then, I take the hot water from the kettle. I pour the hot water slowly over the coffee grounds. I pour in small, gentle circles. This helps all the coffee grounds get wet, which makes the coffee taste better. The coffee starts to drip gently into my cup below. I love watching this part. The dark coffee slowly drips, one drop at a time, into my simple white cup. The contrast between the dark coffee and the white ceramic is so beautiful. It is a very peaceful and simple process. It reminds me to slow down and enjoy the small moments in life. The sound of the coffee dripping is very soft and soothing. It's like a quiet, gentle rain. Finally, my cup is full. The coffee looks so warm and inviting, and it smells absolutely perfect. The coffee is ready. I carefully lift the cup. It is warm in my hands. I take the first sip. It's warm, soft, and a little strong. It's just how I like it. This first sip of coffee makes me feel awake, but in a very calm and gentle way. It's not a sudden rush of energy, but a slow and pleasant awakening. This is one of my favorite moments of the entire day. It's a moment just for me, to enjoy the quiet and the warmth of a fresh cup of coffee before my day truly begins. Here are some simple English phrases that you learned today. You can practice them with me. I will say each phrase slowly, and you can try repeating it after me. Are you ready? Let's begin. I boil water. I grind the coffee beans. I pour hot water. The coffee smells amazing. I take a sip. Great job. Repeating these phrases will help you remember them. You can use them every morning when you make your own coffee. Thank you so much for making coffee with me today. It was wonderful to share this quiet morning moment with you. If you liked this calm English video and found it helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps my channel grow and allows me to create more peaceful videos for you. I hope you have a wonderful and beautiful day. See you again in the next video. Bye for now.